Hello, everyone. Of course, this is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher, and of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. And I want to thank you for coming back each and every time. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please give me a call at 504-251-0674. So guys, the next dance I'm going to teach you is called We Roll. There's different versions of this one, but this one is an easy version. So I know y'all guys like the song. So if you got a beginner class, you can definitely do this dance. Also, if you're interested in dancing along with me to make sure you have the steps correct, watch till the end and click on the, this is the instructional, and click on the demo. So guys, I told y'all this event was going to sell out. The NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 24, this year. We are getting ready, and I will be posting a lot of videos to get you ready for the NOLA Southern Experience. So we're right at the end. I would say in another week or two, we'll be sold out. And if you have not registered and you're still not ready to register, we will open a wait list. So go over to our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com, and while you're there, if you have registered, stroll down to the bottom. You're going to see the itinerary, the event itinerary for the entire 4 days, and also you'll see the partial playlist. Let's get busy. I'll be adding on to that list in March, okay? So we got a lot of work to do. From here forward, I will be teaching those line dances that we're going to be doing at NOLA Southern Experience. So no excuse. So let's go. We roll. Let's go. So it's only 2 parts, and it's a one-wall dance. The first part you're gonna do at all 4 walls, okay? And it start with a step tick on the right and the left, and you're gonna pivot twice and make a quarter turn to your left. So here we go. Step 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. And instructors, tell your people to take their time, okay? Because they're doing 2 pivots, but only making a quarter turn. So they don't have to go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and they just standing there. Just tell them to just make a small pivot, and they already here at this wall. And you're gonna do the same step all the way around until you get to the front, all 4 walls. Stepping forward on the right. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, pivot, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, my weight is on my left. Step forward on the right with the step tick. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're at this wall. We're going to continue until we get back to the front. 5, 6, 7, and right, 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, right and left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's part 1. We roll. Okay? The next dance, the next part is you're going to rock in place. Right, left, lift, left, right, lift, right, left, lift, and left, right, lift. Okay? So you're going to do that 4 times. 5, 6, coming forward on the right. Right, left, lift, left, right, lift, right, left, lift, left, right, lift. So when you started, your weight was on the left. When you ended, your weight is on the left. Then we're going to lock step up. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. We're going to dip with a rock recover. rock, recover, then we're gonna lock back. So we dip, right, left, then we lock back. Right, left, left, right, left. Okay, let's do that again. Starting with, I would say this is part 2. There's only 2 parts. So part 1 you do on all 4 walls. Part 2 you're gonna do on the front and the back wall. No tags, no changes, no bridges. So that means you're gonna do part 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 throughout the entire song, okay? So let's do with the rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, lift 4, 5, 6, 7, lift 8. 1, 2, 3, lift 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lock step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Dip, rock, recover. 5, 6, lock back. 7 and 8. 1 and 2. This we're gonna do a walk easy. 3, 4. Half turn back, right, left. Then we're gonna sit back on the right. 5, 6. Then back on the left. 7, 8. And that's part 2. When you do 7, 8, my weight is on my left and my right is forward. And then I start with that rock again. Rock, 1, 2, 3, lift 4, left 5, 6, 7, lift 8, right 1, 2, 3, lift 4, 5, 6, 7, lift 8. Remember, you're going to do that 4 times. Go into your lock step. Right, left, left, left. You dip with a rock and cover. Right, left. Come back with a lock step. Right, left, left. Right shoulder come back, easy. Right, left, half turn. Coming back to our original wall. Right, come back, sit back. 1, 5, 6, left, 7, 8. My right leg is in the front. You will start the dance over again. All right? So let's go back to the very top, part 1 and part 2. Part 1, you start with the weight on the left and you do a step tip. Right come forward, left come forward, and then you pivot. Right, left. Going to your left counterclockwise. 5, 6, 7, step tip. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 1 and 2. Left, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 5, 6, 7. Lift 8. Right, 1, 2, 3. Lift 4. Left, 5, 6, 7. Lock step. Right, left, left. Dip, rock, recover. Lock back. Right, left, easy hand. Right, left. Sit back, right, and left. So when you sit back, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do I mean? It's not 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit back. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4. Okay? That right is going to be forward. You're going to do the same thing you just did at the front wall. Rocking forward with that right leg is in the front. Right, left, lift forward. Left, right, left. Lift forward, right, left, lift forward. Left, right, left, lift forward. So that right is in the front. We go right into that right and left lock step. Right, left, left. Dip, forward, right, left, recover, then lock back. Right, left, left. Right shoulder come back, easy. Half, right, left. Sit back, 5, 6, on that right, and 7, 8. My right is in the front, and I'm ready to start over again. All right? So, let's do it again with the count. 5, 6, 7, and it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, part 1, part 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7, 8 right, 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7 left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 dip, 5, 6 lock, 7 and 8, it's 1 and 2, easy, 3, 4, sit back, right, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, 7, 8 right, 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 5, 6, lock it up on the right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 dip, 5, 6, 6, recover, 7 and 8, lock, 1 and 2, easy, 3, 4, sit back, 5, 6, 7, 8. The right is in the front, you go right back to the top with your tip. So you're just gonna alternate between part 1 and part 2. This is the perfect dance and song for your beginner. We roll. And I want to thank you for rolling with us at the NOLA Southern Experience. We're going to have a fabulous time. If you're not registered, and you know what, I look back to my videos, and I've been telling y'all about this event for like a year. So if you don't get in, I'm not going to feel bad, guys, because I've been preparing y'all. Go over to our website and check it out, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.